Hi everyone, it's Ian at DIY Home Gardening. Out in the garden after work, going to do a quick video for you. Really quick, simple one, kind of video I was going to do anyway, but I've had a couple of people message me about the same thing as well, and that is how to do cuttings of Dianthus, or as a lot of you would know them as Carnations. So yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around and get on with it. So let's go. As you know, previously I've done another video on these Dianthus or Carnations, which was how to clean them up or remove the dead heads. So then this is a bit of a follow-on video really. So I'm going to show you how to take cuttings, and really quite simple. And to be honest, what you tend to find is that after 2 or 3 years, Dianthus Carnations actually do need to be propagated, and almost chuck away the original plant, because as you can see they end up rather woody, straggly, and rather, well, terrible looking. So what I'm going to do today is do some cuttings. Now this plant's a variety called Tickled Pink. For those of you that don't know the variety, it has a fairly iridescent pink flower to it. I was just trying to find one for you, but no, they have all finished. Yeah, fairly iridescent pink flower, highly fragrant, and it will flower from, I guess, start mid of April, and then go all the way through till you get to about August time. So it is a really nice variety, and as with all Dianthus, easy to propagate. So let me show you how to do it. So first things first, trying to work out the differences. So this is a flowering shoot. You can kind of see which the flowering shoots are, because they produce these sort of singular set of leaves to them, thin stem. Those shoots are no good at all for propagating from, so you just forget them. And then when you look at the plant, you can then see there's a different type of growth that is a non-flowering shoot, and it's from them that we're going to be taking the cuttings. So what we do is really easy. He says, break it off. So you end up with that sort of thing. So that's what I'm going to do now, is just pull off a few more. Right, so I've got my cuttings. These are what used to be called pipe cuttings in the old days. Really simple to take. So you can see that part there was where it was originally joined into the stem, and then all we've done is just literally snap it out. So it pops out like so, and that gives us our nice clean end. And then what we'll do is remove these couple of bottom leaves. Again, trying to do it one-handed, difficult, and if you can see that, essentially you'll see that there's already a little leaflet showing there. So this end is the bit we're going to dip into the rooting compound. Compost already done. It's had a drink about half hour ago. All we do, cutting, dip into the compound, so you can see it's on there now. Just pop that to one side, top of lid. Just make the 5 holes in there, so you can see it's still got the compound on it. Just pop that in, and we'll repeat that with the next 4 cuttings. There we are. The cuttings are all in the pot. All that's left to do now, just give it a light firming around each of them, so you get good compost contact with the base, or the base of the cutting and the hormone powder. To be honest, Dianthus will root without any rooting powder, but the success rate is much better with it. So that is it done. How to take Dianthus carnation cuttings, nice simple stages. So and as you can see, there's one of the cuttings. So that's taken about 4 to 5 weeks to produce that root. So yeah, they're relatively simple, and you will get a good success rate. So there we are, job done, easy. As always, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you did like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. If you got any questions, then please feel free to message me. And yeah, just keep getting out there, enjoy the garden, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.